Old photos don't have to stay old. Let's see what Pikto AI can rescue today. Whether it's blurry, faded, stained, or just low resolution, Pikto's AI image restorer can probably clean it up in just a few clicks. Alright, so let's try a few examples right now. I'm going to show you how you can get to Pikto's image restorer. First things first, you're in the dashboard, create AI visual. Now that you're here, you'll see all of our different AI tools, and what we want to do today is image restorer. So let's try this out. I found a couple of images that I think I would like to restore, and let's give it a shot. First one is this. All you have to do is drag and drop what you've downloaded. So this is the original image, and I would like to try and keep the colors. So it's pretty crumpled up. All we have to do is restore image, keep it black and white, keep original aspect ratio, and then restore. And then here we are. Let's see what this does. And just like that, this image has been restored. All the crumple lines are gone, and you can actually make out her face a little better now. Let's try another one. So let's try another image restorer. So what we want is this. We just drag and drop once again. So this is the image that I found, and basically I just want to restore it. I want it to be a little more HD, and I want it to have color. So all we have to do is just click and pray that we get what we want. Wow, obviously the photo is still looking old because it is an old photo, but my god, it has been colored up. The suit, the shirt, his skin, his hair, everything is colored up, and I feel like a lot of life has been brought out in this image. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys a few things. So let's try to restore an actual person's image. I'm on Photoshop request, and there's a bunch of people asking for a bunch of things. So let's try something out. This person is saying that they're looking for a restore and color on this picture of my dad, willing to pay £5. You don't need to pay £5, I'll do it for you right now. So we have our downloaded image from Reddit right here. This is the one. We're just going to drag and drop. And keep in mind, remember, she wanted color. The request was saying that she wanted color, and color she shall get. Let's restore this image. Okay, look at that. So much life has been brought into this image. And just like that, that's how the Pikto AI image restorer works, guys. It's very simple. If you've got old photos sitting down in a folder somewhere, it might be worth giving them a second life. Just upload them into Pikto and see what comes back.